Today, we're going to be talking about something that is critical for long-term financial security and wealth: how to build multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of income, especially in today's world, is very, very risky. If you want to take true financial freedom, you need to diversify where your money comes from. So let's break down on how you can start building those streams of income. The first step is to leverage your primary income to invest in other opportunities. If you have a steady paycheck from a job or a business, use that income to start investing now. You don't have to make big investments right away, but you can start small with stocks, mutual funds, or even real estate, guys. The key is to take a portion of your earnings and to put it to work in areas that would generate you passive or residual income over time. Next, start a side hustle. This doesn't mean quitting your job or overloading yourself, but you can start small with something you're passionate about, whether it's freelancing, consulting, or even selling products online. A side hustle is a great way to create an additional stream of income. Who knows? That side hustle could eventually turn into a full-time business. It did for me over 7 years ago. Another powerful stream of income is investing in real estate. Real estate offers consistent cash flow and long-term wealth building potential. Whether you invest in rental properties or buy, fix, and flip homes, real estate can provide both active and passive income. It's one of the most tried and true methods for building wealth outside of traditional job or business. And finally, guys, consider digital products and online businesses. In today's digital age, you can create eBooks, online courses, or subscription-based services that generate income around the clock. Once you create these products, they can continue to bring you in money with minimal maintenance. This is a great way to scale your income without trading time for money. So, building multiple streams of income involves leveraging your primary income to invest, starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, and exploring building a digital online business. Diversifying your income streams gives you financial security and opens the door to true wealth creation. Financial freedom comes with multiple streams of income, not just one. Start building your income streams today. And as always, let's level up.